Now, let me warn you, nothing in this video should be taken as advice. If you've never made a YouTube video before, I want to start you off on the right foot. If you're already making videos and you just want more views and subscribers, I want to share some information with you that might help you improve your strategy. But I don't want to give you advice. I'm not interested in giving you advice. I simply want to share with you a perspective on how I was able to carve out my own niche on YouTube. And this might be the perspective that you've been waiting to hear before finally starting your YouTube channel. Oh, you came for advice? Well, thanks for stopping by. I'm just kidding. Sort of. If we haven't met before, let me introduce myself. My name is Steve, and I uploaded my first video to YouTube on January 5th, 2017. And in March 2019, I started to make content consistently, and within a year, I was able to take my channel from just over 1,000 subscribers to now over 3,000 subscribers, and I've published around 40 videos. Now, I know what some of you might be thinking. This guy doesn't have a very big channel, so why would I listen to him? And it's a good question. Here are some of the videos that I've produced that have done very well on my channel. This one's got over 40,000 views, this one's got over 70,000 views, and this one's got over 100,000 views. If I'm able to get those kind of results, then you can get those kind of results too. Since I've held jobs in both video production and database programming in real life, I've learned how to take the creative side and the analytical side of my brain and use them together in order to grow my YouTube channel. And that's what I want to share with you today. If I could summarize this video in 3 bullets, it would be: don't focus on views and subscribers, do focus on the things you can control in order to grow your channel, and you are the secret sauce that's going to help you stand out from all the other channels on YouTube. Here's what happens when you pay too much attention to how many views and subscribers you have. Really, it's an emotional roller coaster. You start off excited, hey, I'm finally going to start YouTube, and then you put in all this time, effort, and energy, and you're just climbing and climbing, feeling that emotional high, and you're just about to hit publish, you finally hit the publish button, and the video tanks. It doesn't do as well as you thought it was going to. You end up feeling drained and let down, and at that point you're pretty much ready to throw in the towel. That's a ride that you do not want to be on when you're first starting your YouTube channel. Here's what I focused on in order to grow my views and subscriber counts naturally. Keyword research, giving the algorithm what it wants, video production, camera, lighting, audio, editing, and connecting with the target audience. When I focused on looking at the keywords that were in demand, I was then able to deliver a product, my video, that was going to meet that demand. By the way, if you're looking for a keyword strategy, I've actually written a book that's available for purchase. It's an SEO workbook specifically for YouTube. And with it, you can find low competition keywords that you can rank for with your channel and make sure you're getting the views and subscribers that you're after. I'll put a link down in the description below. Feel free to check that out if you want to improve your keyword strategy. With video production, I focus on improving the quality of my videos, specifically the audio. People are going to tune out to bad audio quicker than they'll tune out to a bad video quality. I will put a link in the description below if you're looking for a cheap, good quality USB microphone. It is an affiliate link. I will get some commission on it, but it's a good mic if you're just starting out. And that last one, connecting with my target audience, delivering what it is they want, using the language that they're used to, using a tone of voice that they connect with, not being afraid to share emotion. Look, making YouTube videos is challenging. You have to be uncomfortable putting yourself out there in ways that you might not be used to. But being able to connect with people through video is what's going to bring you success. And that bleeds into the last point. You are really the secret sauce to what's going to help your channel stand out from all the other channels on YouTube. It's hard to talk to the camera, and it's especially tough if you're focused on getting views and subscribers and you're not seeing that return that you would hope to get. It'll make you want to quit. Even sitting here in front of you right now, this isn't the most comfortable thing in the world. My mind's going a million miles a minute, criticizing and judging. But when you finally decide that you're going to start making videos and you're going to focus on improving the things that matter, and you strive day after day with every upload to improve those things and show more emotion, that's when you'll see success. That's when you'll start connecting with people. That's it. Those are the 3 things. Are you bold enough to put yourself out there? I think you are. Do me a favor, tell me in the comments below if you're really serious about making videos on YouTube and you're serious about wanting to see success. Write in the comments below, I will strive to improve the things I can control. Yeah, that's a mouthful. do it anyway. If you have a channel and you're looking for ways to grow or you want to improve your video strategy, let me know. Feel free to ask in the comments below how I can help you or what you would like to know, and I'll share my perspective with you. Give this video a thumbs up if it was helpful to you, and if you want a little bit of technical assistance on how to create your Google account and actually create your YouTube channel, check out this video. Very straightforward, step-by-step process for setting up your channel. That's it for this video. Stay safe, stay healthy, and please wash your hands.